Assalamu alaikum. Hell guys, I'm Hania. I welcome you to my beauty channel, friends. Today I have brought you one such face pack which will make you shine like the moon on Eid. So friends, let's start today's remedy. First we will take a clean cup and we need dissolve 1 spoon of coffee and a little water and add 2 spoons of aloe vera gel and 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix it more mix to make it than, and you can see our face pack is ready. Now we apply this mixture on your face like I'm applying on my hands. Then leave it for 10 minutes. Wash your mouth after 10 minutes. So here is the results. Friends, this is our remedy. You must have liked it. Give your feedback in the comments section and don't forget to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.